video on Android development. This tutorial we will see how to accept input from user by using EditText widget. EditText widget is an Android. In Android, used to accept the different types of input from the user, such as its name, mobile number, password, address, etc. So let's begin with it. Project in Android Studio. To add edit text, we will use tag widget edit text with layout grid as a parent, as parent, and height as a content. So you can see it is pointing to the top. So to change it and replacing linear related layout to linear layout. And linear layout text works in two modes, either horizontal or vertical. For that, we have to use attribute orientation that contains vertical or horizontal. So we will use vertical. So you can see what type of input you want to accept. So for that, we will use input type attribute. Accept text person name. Okay. Similar to previous tutorial, we will add edit text. That is here. We will add some margin. Then cover button. It's the place of the changes. We have created a UI successfully. Next, we will use this input, this edit text, to display our terms. See, we will add, we will call edit text class. Then we will initialize it. We have initialized. To get the value from edit text, we can use following functions. By default, edit text returns the string values. So in set on click listener function, we will string variable string object. Use it in the content of it will return text. So get text. We will pass it and we will pass this name variable, string variable. So we have accepted the input from edit text, and this edit text we have accepted the input from user using the edit text, and after clicking on the button, you will see post message with the string provided by the ET name. So we will run it. In few seconds, it will get run. 2 seconds, it will get run. You can see that. This button, I will say hello. Here you can see that we have accepted the input from user. After clicking on typing my button, it will display. If I click on this button, I will say hello Junesh. So we have accepted the input from user. After clicking on button, it will display successfully accepted the input from user. Then using the edit text widget. Thank you for this. Thank you.